Hello everybody, in this video we know more about exceptions of octet rule. You need to know that octet theory is successfully explaining the structure. Lewis dot structure can explain successfully the structure of various types of molecule, and using the octet rule we can explain the structure of sodium chloride, potassium chloride, a huge number of organic covalent ionic compound structure is explained successfully by the octet rule. But with the success of octet rule there are some failures, some points that are called the exceptions of octet rule. So for the exceptions, for some exceptions we are making these discussions, that where we cannot apply the octet rule, where exceptions of octet rule is occurring. So let's start our discussion in this topic, that exceptions of octet rule. Our first exception is for BeCl2, barium chloride molecule. BeCl2 molecule, look at the Lewis dot structure of beryllium chloride. Beryllium having 2,2 electronic configuration, so it has 2 valence electron, and when it's combined with chlorine which have 2,8,7, so we are marking it a different sign for the beryllium electron. So in this case of beryllium, we are seeing here that chlorine is completing its octet by this way, where the beryllium the central beryllium has 4 electron in its valence shell. It is not completing octet. Here the number of electron is not 8, it is lesser than 8. So one exception is less than 8 electron in the valence shell. So for this molecule, BeCl2 molecule, we are seeing that beryllium has only 4 electrons in the valence shell, where chlorine is completing octet. So here boron is showing the exceptions to the octet rule, where less than 8 electron is present. And another exception where less than 8 electron is present for BF3 molecule. In BF3 molecule, if we draw the Lewis dot structure of BF3, here the boron having electronic configuration of 2,3. So in case of BF3 molecule, BF3 molecule, look at the structure of BF3 molecule. Here each fluorine is completing 8 electrons. Look at this fluorine, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It is completing the 8 electron in its valence shell. This fluorine is also completing 8 electron in its valence shell. All the fluorines here completing the octet configuration, octet electronic configuration, but this boron atom has only 6 electron in the valence shell. So for this reason, here boron is showing exceptions to the octet rule. Octet rule is not obeyed by the boron atom here. Boron has less than 8 electron, 6 electrons here. And now we see some examples where exception of octet occurred, but more than 8 electrons are present. Means expansion of octet. We can call it also expansion of octet. So for expansion of octet, we see some examples. For example, for PCl5 molecule, if we draw the Lewis dot structure of PCl5 molecule, we would find that phosphorus atom is not obeying the octet rule. It has more number of electron than 8 in its valence shell. In its valence shell, phosphorus contain only 5 electrons. Okay, so when it combines with 5 chlorine, 5 chlorine, look at the structure of PCl5 here. Each chlorine atom is completing the octet rule, but the central phosphorus, but look at the central phosphorus atom electron, it is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, means 10 electrons. 10 electron is in the valence shell of in the 10 electron is completed in the valence shell of phosphorus, which is more than 8 electron, more than 8 electrons that is completed by phosphorus here. So here in this case we can say octet rule is violated here by the phosphorus atom. And simply we can say the example of IF7 molecule. IF7, in the IF7 molecule, if we draw the Lewis dot structure, iodine has 7 electrons in its valence shell, iodine 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and fluorine, with each fluorine I am drawing this structure. Look at the structure of IF7, Lewis dot structure of IF7. Here it is clearly shown that the iodine have the valence electron of 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, means 14 electron. 14 electron is present in the valence shell of iodine in IF7 molecule, which is more than octet, more than 8 electron, means more than octet electron is containing in IF7 molecule. So for this reason we can say this is one exception of octet theory, where more than 8 electrons are present. We saw the next exceptions to the octet rule. Next exception is for the structure of the xenon difluoride, XeOF2, xenon oxyfluoride. This structure cannot be explained by the octet rule. These structures cannot be explained by octet rule. This structure, why not completing octet, cannot be explained by this rule. And another important thing, odd electron odd electrons, bonds and molecules. Odd electron molecules and bond, for examples, NO2, He2 plus ion, H2 plus ion. These structures cannot be explained by the octet rule. NO2 molecule structure and H2 plus and He2 plus, these structures of molecule and ion cannot be explained by octet theory or octet rule. So this is the discussions that I want to present for the exceptions, some exceptions to octet rule. So these are some exceptions to octet rule that I presented here. I think you understand this topic well, and if you have any question, then you can strictly ask me that I have this problem. I will answer you surely. Okay, I will try to answer you surely, and if you want to see this type of more contents from chemistry and other subjects also, like English or mathematics, simple mathematics, then you can subscribe my channel. And if you find this video is useful to you, then you can like this channel, and your like will encourage me to make more videos, this type of more videos. Thank you.